guys, today we're playing Amazing Frog once again. It was so long since we played this, right, Parch?
Very, very long.
So I don't want to be a police, I want to be something else. I think I'm going to be... Hey look, it's Kermit the Frog.
Boo.
Santa Frog.
Boo.
Grinch Frog.
Boo.
Okay. Frosty.
Boo.
Bob.
Bob the Frog?
Yeah.
Bob the Frog is it's okay. I like that name. Bob the Frog.
What about space? What? Wildlife?
Get up, get up. Hey, I can't hear the music. Hey.
Maybe I should be a warrior.
Yeah.
Oh, get out. Okay.
Woo! The only thing missing are donuts. I need some donuts, guys. Woo!
No! Nah, not happening. Give me that radio!
My name is Frogmas Decimus Meridius. Frogmas Decimus Meridius? Okay, you know what?
No! No, my radio! Nah. Where are you? Oh! Oh! Almost gotcha! Woo! Get back here with this instant!
I'm jamming. I'm jamming, guys. Jamming number one. Jamming number what the?
Yes! I got it!
Hey, wait a minute. I don't have a jetpack.
So go get dressed.
I don't want to be a cop.
Don't be a yeah? Wait. Okay.
I don't want a jetpack, guys. Who wants a jetpack? Who wants Dookie? Shark Frog Policeman. Whoa, guys. That's gonna be amazing. Shark Frog Policeman with a jetpack. Are you ready? Are you ready for death and destruction? Anyone and everyone that breaks the law is going to die. Here we go.
Are you gonna kill that guy in the news?
No. First of all, I need to bust Joker Frog.
You need to kill Joker?
After I bust Joker Frog, I'm going to bust
Donald
the
Trump?
dumb frog.
What's a dumb frog?
The dumb frog is a frog that always carries that stinking sign and protest all over the place. My guy, no more protesting today. So,
La 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 la. Wah. Yeah. Latte. Let's float in the sky. So first I gotta find the Joker before.
we should go in outer space. But before we go in outer space, I gotta find Joker Frog.
No, don't find Joker Frog! He's my friend, the warrior friend.
Well, if he's your friend, then both of you are going to jail.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not going to jail.
You want to bet?
No, I don't. Wait, don't you?
Joker Frog is usually somewhere over there.
Don't you want Donald Trump Frog? He's around.
Oh, I hit my head.
Whoa! I need the King Frog. I need his crown. I must be the warrior king.
Joker Frog.
I'm gonna get you. He's gonna be mine. Don't get him. He's my friend.
He's not your friend. He's a gore guy.
Yeah, the crown of the.
Joker Frog doesn't want to kill Batman. He just says, I don't want to kill you. What do I do without you? You complete me. So, we cannot have no one completed.
Wait, where's Joker? I'm coming, Joker!
See him, there he is.
No. you do?
You won't. Sorry.
Okay. If I was Joker, where would I be?
Where would you be? I know what this is. He's over here.
He's not over there.
Why? Oh.
He's not even there. Stop for. I found him! Joker Frog!
You're under arrest. Stop with the name of the part.
No! Come on, Joker! We gotta escape. Escape from him. So, Joker, I wanna put you in the toilet. I don't know why, but I just wanna do it. And I'm gonna turn him.
Stop with the name of the part. Hold you.
And I command, and if I put you in the toilet, then I'll get your gun, and everybody will be Joker Frog. Right? Now you're coming! Come on, Joker, we gotta go fast! We gotta go next to the toilet!
Stop. Come on, get up. I told you.
If you want to catch me, you need the balloon jetpack! Come on! Hey, look! There's that stupid frog! Pig Newton person!
Pig Newton person? What are you talking about?
Yes, I got it in the toilet! Oh no! No, you're coming! Get in. Yes! Jumper frog! You're gonna go in the toilet! I'm sorry, you're my friend! No! Joker! No, Joker! Why did you kill him? No, Joker! No! You got next to me! Okay. Come on!
Get over here.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Moron! What did you do?
There it is! The Joker gun! And it's called, joke's on you. Now I'm gonna turn oh no! I know. Okay, no. Don't get him!
You piece of dookie. Get over here. You're under arrest. What the you stink?
Yes, I'm gonna get you, Pig Newton! Watch this!
That's not Pig Newton.
No, but Pig Newton as a person. Look, you're gonna be Joker! Yay! A Joker pig!
You got to be kidding me. I'm taking this guy to jail.
But why are you grabbing his poop?
Good night. It stinks, trust me. But it's better than standing next to you.
But why is his head sticking out? His head's sticking out for somehow. Stop on the name of the law, or I'll shoot you and turn you into a joke frog.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Yes.
No, you won't.
Just stop on the name of the law. Stop the name of the law. What? Stop on the name. No. I want to get you. Okay, so I'm gonna get you.
Here.
Yes, stop. Yeah. Oh crap! I gotta put this in my. You're not that faster than me. Look.
Of course I am. I told you. I am the law.
Come on now! Let's go for a ride! Before he goes! Yay! We're going! Yes! Let's go up here! Up this building! What?
Calling our cars. We have a bandit on the loose.
No. They're not a bandit.
Fly.
And for no, Joker! You fall out of the room! Joker, I'm coming!
Where is he? mouth.
You're gonna grab that police car, aren't you?
That's not a police car. That's a freaking Mini Coupe. Who cares about a Mini Coupe? We don't want a Mini Coupe. Ooh, what's this? Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. I see you.
Okay. You want him? Come and get him!
You know what? I don't want him anymore, because if I put him in jail, the whole jail's gonna stink. It's gonna smell like... I don't want it to smell like freaking dookie.
Yeah! You stupid idiot! Before I hit you very hard with my poop! I mean, Joker.
Let's jam.
I have an idea! Stay there! I'm gonna give you him. I give up right now. Sorry.
I can find the biggest explosion ever.
That is the biggest explosion ever.
Single word bombs. Oh, another radio. Hey, who wants to play with the radio?
No! Why? Why? No, you and all those radios! Why you and all those radios? Oh, if you have something. No.
Yeah, that radio sounds much better than that one.
Yes, I have it! I have it! Joker! Dance with me! I'm gonna explode once again!
Where is my music?
What? How is he still alive?
Come here. Where's this fucking music, man? Where's my music?
Come on, come on!
Oh,
Come!
you know what? Just for that.
Don't you dare do it! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Throw him at that explosive! You just exploded yourself! Come on, Joker. Let's go.
I explode myself, I'd be dead. So I'm fine, guy.
Okay, let's
I'm
go.
totally fine, guy.
Okay.
What about you, guy?
Wait, I have an idea. So, Joker, I think I'm gonna leave you in jail. Just for now. Just stay there, okay? Okay, bye.
Go ahead. Smell like dookie. Smell like dook, son. Smell like dook.
Wait a second. I heard that there's a person in that blimp. In the
Smell like
frog,
dookie, son.
in
Smell like dook.
the frog milk coffee company blimp. Oh no! Ow! Woo! No! Why do you always say? I just want Whoa! Look at this! It's zombie Pigman!
Zombie pig.
Yay! Now you're a zombie! I mean, a Joker zombie Pigman.
These guys really.
Whoa! Go in there!
Stuff that we're playing. Because if we're playing this type of crap, then I don't want to play no more.
Go in there! It'll give you something special, a bazooka.
A bazooka or some dookie?
No, some a bazooka.
I don't want no dookie guy. Hey! You gotta be kidding me!
Now you can spill all the food you want!
It stinks in here!
Okay guys, so we're gonna cut off the video here. Do you think he's still stuck in there? So I hope you enjoyed the
Get me
video.
out of here!
Okay guys, until next time. Later guys, and click that like button and subscribe.